Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Every once in a while you might want to put your windshield wipers up on your windshield on your Prius, just if you want to do a, maybe there's ice coming, maybe you just want to change your wiper blades, whatever you're looking to do, there is a way that you can actually bring them up further on the window so that they are easier to get at than what they look like right there. Very easy to do. All you have to do is when you turn on the car here, which is just saying push the pedal. You don't even have to start it, right? You get it to where it's on, in the on position, shut it off, hold your stalk up for about 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to bring your windshield wipers up. That way, if you choose to replace them, you can see how close the wipers are to where you can actually replace them very, very easy on the new Prius. So very easy to change your wipers on the Prius. That's how you do it. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. By the way, if you want to know the rest of it, the rest of it's very easy as well. You can pop these little things up right here. Once you pop these up, these will slide straight down. Very easy to do. Change them. Pop that back down, and it'll hold it in place. It's very easy to change the wipers on a Prius. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. You guys have a great day. Bye.